I think somebody's ready to give this a try. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we are doing a review of this solid gold freeze-dried raw meal topper. Now this product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is beef and pumpkin recipe. You can see these great big balls inside of here. I'm going to pull one out. Well, I'll pull a couple out and give them to the dogs and see what they think. These are made with raw beef and organ meat. Oh my goodness. You can use these as treats or you can use them as a meal topper. I advise crushing them up if you're going to use them as a meal topper. If you have a dog that swallows things whole, like that one over there, it is best if you crush these up to make it a little bit easier. Also, if you're going to use these as a meal topper, because these are freeze-dried raw, I would also add a little bit of water, kind of making it more like wet food when your dogs go to eat it. Because when you freeze-dry things, it takes all the moisture out of it, so sometimes adding some of that back just makes it easier for your dogs to digest. So there's my opinions on that. Should we open it and see what you think? I bet you're going to eat it. I'm going to bet. None of my dogs are picky, so they will probably all eat this with no issue. Suddenly, oh, good stretch, good stretch. Suddenly we're all really excited to see what's in this bag, huh? Yeah, are you really excited? You want me to open it? Memphis is over here getting a sip of water. Let's open this and see what you guys think. Now, I do want to say, I can't really say anything to the other features in this because, well, you know, I'm not a doctor, so I don't know, but I do like all of the ingredients. Let me show you real quick. So you can see here, these are everything that's in here, all of the ingredients. Notice how you can read every single one of them. And if you don't know what this is like a probiotic type of thing. But yeah, so it's got all good stuff in it. You can see inside the bag, these are pretty decent sized. All right, seniority rules. Watch her swallow it. And gone. Sit. Are you gonna chew it? You didn't chew it either. How about you? You didn't chew it either. Oh, you did. You did chew it. Nobody else did, but you, in case that one didn't work. All right, seniority rules. No chewing at all. You gonna chew it? A little bit. How about you? Okay, one bite, and it was gone. Do you approve? Was it delicious? Would you like some of this on your food, or is it just great as treats? They're like, Memphis is like, the bag's right there. Can you just give me like 12 more, please? I need 14 more of those immediately. So you can kind of see, this is about the size of them. And they do, like if I were to squeeze this, this would crush up really well in my hands. You can have one more. One more for you. That's not yours. One more for you, and one more for you. Yeah? Oh, you chewed that one. Delicious? Well, I would say the dogs approve.